First thing you want to do is always disconnect the battery. We're going to use a 10 millimeter. The airbag module is located right behind this paneling. Come off just as easily as that. You'll see the airbag module is that black plastic box right there. The next step is to go ahead and start working on this center console here. Lift this up. You don't need to lift it up all the way out. There's a little lever right there. If you go ahead and push down on that, the shift will release. I'm gonna go ahead and take this center console right up and just rotate it so we can go ahead and disconnect the plugs from the front of the module. A tab right here, you just press down on that. This will start coming up. Pull the lever all the way. There they are.